the weather rough, the sky them turn grey. Storms are pass through, comfy test me fate. But me heart stay steady like the coconut tree. Rooted in the ground, planted firm and free. Hear the wind a blow, telling tales of old. Wisdom from the ancients more precious than gold. Every drop of rain, wash the sorrow clean. Leaving only blessings, a peaceful, vibrant scene. Oh, the waves them crashing, but they won't pull me down. Got this in a fire, can't be warned by any frown. Jah love a guide me through the darkness and the light. Standing firm in truth with all my might. This are the rising tide, can't stop the flow. From the depths me come and watch the spirit grow. No Pupu Mai, we are push on through. Stronger than before, me and me crew. One step at a time, we conquer every fear. Nothing can defeat us when Jah is always near. See the elder teaching by the riverside. Generations coming with nothing to hide. Fishing at them mending, hand in the hand. Building up the future across this precious land. The sun burned hot, but the water stay cool. Every little effort part of the divine rule. From the first light of morning to the setting of the day. Give thanks for the journey, come what may. Oh, the waves them crashing, but they won't pull me down. Got this in a fire, can't be warned by any frown. Jah love a guide me through the darkness and the light. Standing firm in truth with all my might. This are the rising tide, can't stop the flow. From the depths me come and watch the spirit grow. No Pupu Mai, we are push on through. Stronger than before, me and me crew. One step at a time, we conquer every fear. Nothing can defeat us when Jah is always near. Listen up, youth, don't you ever feel lost. Every tribulation come at a cost, but the victory's sweet when you stand up tall. Hear the ancestors calling, answer the call. Irie vibes, make the positive shine bright. Chasing out the shadows with the righteous light. Rising tide, can't stop the progress. No Pupu Mai, forward ever. Reggae Tahiti, live on strong.